So this is just a brief explanation of how you can use our reports feature. So just navigate to the report section, then generate a new report. You will always start from a project, but this doesn't mean that you need to create a report for the entire project, because you can just choose one experiment, one task, for example, or just the list of activities related to a specific task. So I'm going ahead and choosing my project. So my main container, SciNote template, there's only that one for now. Continue. I'm going to name my report right away, just with today's date. And now you can decide first which are the experiments that I want to look at. So let's imagine that I only, actually, let me do this. I'm going to deselect everything and I just want this experiment here with all the tasks. Continue. And now in the second stage, I can, for example, deselect everything and I, for example, just want, let me see, I want to include all the assigned items to these, to the tasks. And I also want that the activity is included. Or, for example, I want to deselect all these assigned items because I only want to generate a report on the task activities of those of that experiment in that case. Start generate. You will generate automatically a PDF. If you want, you can go ahead and generate also docs that will be editable. But of course, the PDF will not be. So as you can see here, you have the main details about each individual task with the task activity. And here it goes for all the tasks.